Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the SWIFT code for BMO Bank. The SWIFT code for BMO Bank, also known as the Bank of Montreal, is BMO2. This code is used to identify the bank for international wire transfers and other cross-border transactions. It's important to note that while BMO2 is the main code for BMO, some branches may have a different, specific SWIFT code. Always confirm the correct code with your specific BMO branch or through your online banking platform before initiating a transfer. This ensures the funds are routed correctly and without delay. Using the wrong SWIFT code can lead to a transfer being rejected, delayed, or even sent to the wrong bank. To avoid these issues, double-check the code with the recipient and BMO. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.